We've got lots happening in the world of business, and to keep us up to date, Eagle News business reporter Bobby Soriano.
Good evening. U.S. markets have closed. Here are your latest business headlines. The largest multilateral trade pact was signed over the weekend, with 15 countries in Asia and Oceania signing the pact. Known as the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, the trade agreement looks to unite 1/3 of the global population and 29% of global gross domestic product under a single governing trade agreement that will reduce tariffs among its members and provide unifying provisions regarding intellectual property, telecommunications, financial services, e-commerce, and professional services. The trade agreement excludes the United States, which withdrew from the RCEP's predecessor, the Trans-Pacific Partnership Agreement, back in 2017. While Asian countries continue to strengthen ties with one another, American companies are looking to strengthen their positions elsewhere. Global retailer Walmart announced that it would be selling its stake in Japanese local supermarket Seiyu GK to private equity firm KKR in a deal that would value the supermarket chain at $1.6 billion. Walmart in 2002 had hoped to leverage the supermarket chain's brand to integrate itself into the Japanese market, but the retailer has found more success from its e-commerce channels, which have been boosted by online shopping during the pandemic. Walmart's selling of its holdings in Japan follows similar sellouts that release it from holdings in the UK and Argentina, signifying the focus that the retail giant has on its fight with other e-commerce retailers such as Amazon. Lastly, as countries continue to focus on trade agreements with one another, Elon Musk looks to make a more lasting partnership with the next frontier, space. His SpaceX company successfully completed the launch of its first operational mission with 4 astronauts aboard its Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon capsule. The full crew of astronauts will travel to the International Space Station, where they will remain for 6 months to assist in deep space experiments that will increase mankind's knowledge of in-space manufacturing and space's long-term effects on human health. Afterwards, NASA has tasked SpaceX with regularly scheduled launches to the ISS that look to be much more cost-efficient than government-only backed flights. The success on Sunday was hailed by SpaceX President and Chief Operating Officer Gwen Shotwell as the beginning of a new era in spaceflight. U.S. indices closed in the green today, breaking all-time highs during the day on the positive vaccine news from Moderna. Reporting from New York, Bobby Soriano, Eagle News, we live in interesting times.